Yes, my dear students. This is the MCQ question. Consider the following statement S1 and S2 about the relational data model. A relation scheme can have at most one foreign key. Statement number S1. Statement number S2 is foreign key in a relation scheme R cannot be used to refer to the tuple of R. So first we'll discuss about the statement number 1, my dear. What is saying statement number 1? A relation scheme can have at most one foreign key. Can have at most one foreign key. It is false, my dear. It is false. S1 is false. Why S1 is false? I am taking an example. Don't worry about that. S1 is false. Why it is false? Please try to understand. Let's suppose I am taking two entities, set E1 and E2. E1 and E2, and here there is a relationship many to many. Many to many, my dear. It having the A attribute set A, B and C, my dear. A, B and C, my dear. And it having the attribute D, E and F. And whenever you trying to convert into RDBMS, then what happen? Here you will get one entity set E1, one table for E1, in which A, B, C, one table for E2, my dear, in which D, E, F, and here one table you will get for relation R, in which both table primary key will be used combinedly and work as a primary key, and in respective relation they work as a foreign key. Mean to say here A is foreign key, यहाँ आपकी A foreign key हो गई है बच्चों, and here not B, it is D. Here A and here D become the foreign key. Here D become the foreign key. So here how many foreign keys are there? Two foreign keys are there. कितनी foreign key है बेटा इधर? Two foreign keys है. So your statement S1, a relation can have at most one foreign key, that false, my dear. That false. Now check for statement 2. Check for statement 2, my dear. Check for statement 2. What is saying? A foreign key in a relation schema R cannot be used refer to the tuple of R. Mean to say, क्या कहना चाहता है? This is also false. Why it is false, my dear? Please try to understand. I am taking one table of employee, in which I am having employee ID, employee name and supervisor ID. Yeah, you can say manager ID. You can say manager ID, my dear. Now, we have four employees. Let's suppose E1, E2, E3, E4. Having a name of A, B, C, D. And it is say I am saying कि it is the foreign key. So you know foreign key is what? Foreign key refer to the primary key of, foreign key is a attribute refer to the primary key of same table or some other table. And what happen in foreign key? Whatever attribute present in foreign key, that must be present in primary key. Mean to say I can write either here E2, let's suppose, E3, E4, E2. Clear, my dear? E2. Are you getting my point? I can write any value here, but that is refer to the primary key. That is refer to the primary key. Like employee E1 have a supervisor E2, E2 have a supervisor E3, E3 has a supervisor E4, and E4 has a supervisor E2, my dear. Clear? So it is referring, but what is mentioned here? Cannot be used to a refer. So my dear student, this statement is also false. So what we can say here, both S1 is false and S2 is false. S1 is false, my dear. We can say S1 is false, and we can conclude S2 is also false. So what is the correct answer? Both S1 and S2 are false, my dear. So D is the correct answer for this question. Hope so you get it.